So yesterday's ride involved 104 motorcycles.
You get a real variety of people showing up.
We took them out on a 109-mile scenic route of the back roads of Carmel Valley, and it's an amazing ride in several ways. It's a real mix of not only talent, but motorcycle manufacturers, brands, a lot of old bikes, middle-aged bikes, new bikes. Everyone just kind of jives together because we're all out there doing the same thing. Add the California Highway Patrol in, and we've got people looking out for us along the way as well.
Everybody's there to have a great time. Everybody wants to go for a lap around Laguna Seca. It's a real feeling of camaraderie, and it's one of the most special aspects of motorcycling.
The best description for a true motorcycle enthusiast is someone who feels grateful every time they step over their motorcycle and have the opportunity to ride it. It takes you away. It can be transportation, it can be a way to get away from your work, it can be just the idea of maybe recapturing a time in your life that you thought was gone. There's something about a motorcycle that's unlike anything else, and Quail Lodge embraces that. So this is our 6th annual Quail Motorcycle Gathering. We've got incredible blue skies, brings motorcyclists out from all over the country. It's probably one of the most eclectic group of motorcycles you'll ever see. We've got over 250 motorcycles on the show field.
Motorcycles are coming from farther away, they're more exotic. The quality of the machines here are excellent. This year, you've got some of the earliest motorcycles ever made, early American stuff from the 02s, 09s, all the way to fairly new, exciting customs.
Including an amazing category of Bonneville salt flat record holders, 24 of them.
It's like a chain of who took the world's fastest, which is unique and something you maybe wouldn't expect to see at a show that's supposed to be about shiny bikes. These are not shiny, these are competition machines. They're beautiful.
Terry and I were, as my older brother, we were in the motorcycle business forever. We still love to ride and we love to see a bike finished. Lots of times you'll talk to a lot of builders, and so much of the project is the build. They get one done and they're ready to do another one. The bikes here is just so diversified, and everybody pretty well gets along and likes what's here, and there's something for everybody.
The thing I love the best is it's just such a relaxed atmosphere. People are very friendly. There are no barriers, there are no ropes separating you from anybody else. You'll be wandering around and good God, I'm standing next to a world champion or the AMA #1 plater.
The food is included, it's 4-star dining, arguably 5-star dining. You just don't expect that at a motorcycle show. It's something where we roll out the carpet for everyone here. It starts with the Quail Lodge Golf Club. You know, we're authentic motorcycle people. We love putting events together, and it's all driven by our genuine, true passion for motorcycles.
I think the Quail is probably the best motorcycle event in terms of a concours and a ride in the United States right now. There really aren't any other shows of this caliber that also include a ride. I mean, it's what it's all about. Riding is what it's all about ultimately. You can show jewelry, antiques, guns, cars, whatever, but to get together with show bikes and go for a ride on the racetrack and through this beautiful countryside, that's unique. The quality of the venue is amazing. Yeah, the Quail is #1.